Hey guys, this is Gauradas and today I am with Mr. Vedant Karade who have got the job within 1 month after completing my job searching secrets course in multinational company. So welcome you Vedant
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
and lots of congratulations for your result and job.
Thank you, sir.
So Vedant, in which company right now you got the offer? What is your position and what is your role?
I am currently placed in Secotools India Private Limited, located at Koregaon, Bhima, Pune. My designation post is a trainee engineer in CAM, Computer Aided Manufacturing, in export oriented unit, both
Okay.
standard tooling. Currently, I have been working there for the last 2.5 months. I joined there in December, and that's all.
Okay. As I remembered that you have completed the course in the first week of November almost,
Yes, yes,
and you got the job in first week of December.
yes, yes.
Okay, okay. And Vedant, so before joining the course, which kind of problems you were facing in job searching?
Whenever we search for job on the internet or job portals or maybe LinkedIn or various job portals, the opportunities or the openings which are there are generally for experienced professionals and not for freshers. And whenever we try to search for the openings for a fresher, it gets very difficult, and we can say that we get to know that there are no openings for fresher in the industry, but there are basically. So as we say, there the job market, the opening is basically 80% of the iceberg, which is below the sea level. That is the internal
Right.
job openings. They provide internal openings and recruit the professionals from the company itself, and 20% of the job market is what we see, which is above the sea level. So this is basically my understanding about what is the scenario, current scenario about the job. These were the problems I faced during the job search.
Okay, okay. And this factor we have discussed in the course, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So the strategies which I taught, for example, how to connect to whom with connect on LinkedIn. Have you found that helpful?
Yes, sir. Definitely. You mean the hierarchy that we should follow during making connections on LinkedIn? That was also helpful, and the uh, providing additional note whenever we send to the connection, that
Right,
also increase the percentage of acceptance of the
right,
uh,
right,
connection on LinkedIn.
right. And I must say, Vedant followed everything which I taught in the course. That's why he got the result so fast. So he is the person who is ready to learn and ready to take action. Okay. And the next thing is before joining the course, you had your resume, right?
Yes, sir, I have.
And after that, you have modified your resume.
Yes.
So, what you feel, how the secrets which I have revealed related to resume writing, how it helped you?
Basically, whenever we get out of college, we do not have any idea about how should we make our resume, and about the layout of the resume. Before the course, I was not also able to make a proper resume. After doing this particular course by you, it helped me a lot, and describing whatever you have done in college projects, software, and all those skills you have done, how to put it in a resume, how what manner you should put it in. So that helped me a lot, and that creates an impact on the interviewer as well. So that was the thing that helped me.
That's great. That's great. And that's why I provide templates, samples,
Yes, sir. Yes, templates.
so that your resume writing your resume writing format or anything, the efforts you take or anyone take, it becomes simple process.
Yes.
Okay, that's great. That's great. And after that, I have also taught in the course about interview preparation.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. So how that the secrets related to interview preparation to crack the interview, how it helped you, what you like from that.
Um, frankly speaking, to be honest, I have given just two interviews in my 2 to 3 years career. First was Reliance, and second was Seco Tools. I got selected in both. But in Reliance, it was in my college. But in Seco Tools, I was the interviewee after doing the course by Gaurav sir. So he taught us various techniques and various things you should avoid during an interview, and what should you do, because basically you, while attending an interview or while giving an interview, the most important thing is you should know what not to do rather than what you should do. So Gaurav sir told us about what not to do, and that helped us. So that's it.
Okay, and I still remember after giving the interview, we had a discussion, and you have
Yes, sir.
informed that you also ask question to
Yes, sir.
interviewer the
Interviewer,
company,
interview.
right?
Yes, sir.
And that's why I taught that even you have learned that you should also ask the questions, right? And
Yes, sir.
because right now most of the job seekers don't do that. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so that was very good. And after this, what suggestion you want to give to the candidates who are right now searching the job?
I would firstly recommend you to do the course by Gaurav sir, definitely,
Thank you.
because everyone is thinking about the money, but the value you get from this course is really good, and you should, because you are getting an exposure of a person who has around 6 to 7 years of experience, and he knows what not to do and what to do, as I explained previously. And he can correct you, and he can definitely guide you through your career path, so whatever you are searching for. And be always ready to learn and spend your time in these such activities and all.
Thanks. Thanks for that.
Thank you.
And the next question will be a little bit personal, and that will be how you enjoyed your first salary.
uh, I paid rent. I paid rent of my room, and I did nothing special in my first salary. I am planning to do something, but I am not ready to do that. So I'm planning to do something that will be a surprise for everyone.
Okay, that's great. That's because this is a memorable thing for every job seeker who
Yes, sir.
got the
Yes.
first salary, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, very good discussion, Vedant. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Once again, congratulations.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
And thank you very much to join the session.